a close look at the K1 kayak made by Intex. The K1 kayak comes with the Double Quick 2 pump. It's the high output pump made by Intex. It inflates when you pull up and push down. It has the wider hose, so inflating is faster than ever. It takes just 2 or 3 minutes to inflate the K1. It also comes with the 84-inch aluminum paddles. It has rubber grips on each end, real easy to paddle. And also out of the box you'll get a nice cargo net. It's great for keeping your gear with you. If that's not enough to haul your gear with you, right underneath the seat you can store gear in the back of the kayak as well. The K1 kayak is constructed with that same 30 gauge vinyl that the excursion boats are, so it's very durable, thick. It does not stretch a whole lot. Also, it's constructed with 2 separate chambers. That way if one chamber deflates on you, the other one's going to get you to the shore safely. The chambers are both capped off with the nice Boston valves, so inflating and deflating is fast and easy. The K1 kayak comes with the kayak fins. There's 2 fins here that will help you track and maintain control as you're paddling down the lake or river. The K1 kayak is a 9-foot kayak. Got it stood up so you can see how tall it really is.